Tell us a little bit about who you are and what you had done here.
Well, Amy, it's a pleasure to be able to recommend Dr. Goff. My name is Bob Brown. I'm a 75-year-old surgical patient, and I've just had a fabulous experience having my right knee partial done. Prior to that, Dr. Goff had done my left knee and both hips, and the difference in my lifestyle is just nothing short of dramatic.
So tell us a little bit about what you can do now versus what you had trouble doing before your surgeries.
Well, literally, had it not been for that series of surgeries, I most likely would be in a rocking chair with a jug of whiskey, because it was so, it restricts your willingness to go exercise is the real problem. When you're getting pain in those joints, you just don't want to do exercise, which is so critical to health. And with these joints, and they're done so well and so accurately, you just feel like exercising, and you can go out and do it without hurting afterwards. So I literally go play golf, I walk, I hike, and I don't have to take drugs afterwards.
Nice. What was the reason, number one reason why you chose Dr. Goff over someone else?
I'm an attorney, and in the early days of my career, I did medical malpractice defense. So I've had the opportunity in my career to interview doctors and use them as expert witnesses. And I also appreciate the value of a second opinion. So when I started thinking it was time to have the work done, I began a survey of medical office building owners and operators, my general practitioners, and some other friends. And several names kept popping up, and Dr. Goff's was at the top of that list of names that multiple people recommended.
Wonderful. Thank you so much, Bob, for sharing your experience with us.
It's a pleasure. Dr. Goff has a great personal bedside manner, and his staff is outstanding, world-class, and I fell in love with all his medical helpers. What can I tell you?
Thanks, Bob. Thank you so much.